So for this example, we're going to be solving the inequality. I want to also write the answer in a notation, and by doing that, we need to also write the graph for each inequality. So let's start with this one. I'm going to start by subtracting 4x to both sides. Gives me 1x plus 6 greater than or equal to 6. Subtract 6 to both sides. 1x greater than or equal to 0. That's fine. That's a good answer. So then we're going to do our number line. 0 is in the middle. This side I have all the negatives, and this side I have all the positives. And my answer says x is greater than or equal to 0. So it's right here. When it has the little equal line, the little line under, it's closed dot. So x is greater. All numbers greater than 0 go this way. So when I'm going to write my interval, I always read from left to right. So starts at 0. At 0, I have a closed dot, which means I have a bracket, comma, all the way to positive infinity. So infinities always have a parentheses. Okay? So this is my interval. This is one answer as well. Okay? Let's write it with this guy. Now, for this one, I'm going to start by adding 5 to both sides. Negative 7x greater than or equal to negative 21. Divide by negative 7. X is, now, the one thing with inequalities is whenever you divide or multiply by a negative sign to this step, you must flip the sign. So, goes this way, gives you 3. My number line starts at 0, positive 3 somewhere over here. Again, I have the little line, so it'll be a closed dot. Okay, and then I read it. X is less than or equal to 3. So all my numbers less go this way, because this is negative infinity and this is positive infinity. Okay, so when I'm going to write my interval notation, I'm going to read from left to right. So it starts at negative infinity, comma, 3. This is a bracket because it's a closed dot, and infinities always have a parenthesis. So again, this is my interval. Interval notation, and this is my x. So you have x is equal to something, you have the graph, and you have the interval. And those are your answers.